Hi, this is Angela with MidModernMama.com, and today I wanted to show you the planning that goes into creating two of the special spreads that I use in my coronavirus journal. This is a Moleskine. It's called a Japanese style journal. I love these because they fold out. It's really just like one big long folded piece of paper in here. But you can use any kind of journal you want. And I haven't finished this yet, but I'm doing some of the layout and some of the planning involved in it. And I wanted to show you how that's coming along. So one of the things I do as I'm starting out a new journal that I have kind of a program or an idea for, that I will go through and label pages with Post-it notes, and that's what I've done here. So the first spread that I have started to work on is called the ABC, or the A to Z spread. And so this is where I am using the letters of the alphabet, and then I'm coming up with words that are particular, in this case, to the coronavirus pandemic. But you can do an A to Z spread for anything. But these are words that are associated with this, and my family and I have been kind of brainstorming that. And so to lay this out, see, this is the genius of this Japanese style. I have started, and I've been collecting letters, and I'm just cutting them out of magazines. But the pages that I haven't done yet, I have them marked off. And I decided I was going to do 3 letters per page in this journal. And so I just used Post-it notes to mark those out. And that's what I had done at the beginning too. And I'll keep going and filling this out as it goes. And I'm doing a little illustration along the way. The other spread that I'm doing in the back of here is, that I've planned out in a very similar way, is a calendar. And so starting for us in March 2020, I have a page for every month. And I've done the same thing, and you'll see I've started this a little bit. But I have done the same thing using Post-it notes to lay out those pages. And here's a Dutch door that I created for this spread. And just getting that all laid out. And I have some pages marked out for the future. And then as I go through and I decide which kinds of things I want to include in this particular journal, I will just use Post-it notes to plan all of that out too. And that way I don't run out of pages, or I've skipped a month or something like that. So anyway, that's an introduction to the A to Z and 12-month spread and planning with Post-it notes. And if you want more details on this coronavirus journaling project, those are all on my website. I'll put the link down below. Thanks so much for watching.